Nice shooting, Jeff. I got Roy.
Are they all in there? Oh, damn. There we go. Fires out, shoot him. Careful.
Yep. I didn't even get 3 shots. I hit the camera. He's in the house.
Yeah, and I can see him, I just can't really get him.
I think I heard that one go swinging by my ear. Yeah, how's it going?
Ready.
Huh?
Lay off so it'll actually pop out.
I thought people were trying to move to get up.
Oh, okay. Oh. Has anyone moved up?
Well, oh, yucky spider. Fuck your ear dead.
Look, look. I see movement behind there. He might be moving up to the equipment there.
Already? Is that a gas?
I can't even fucking see anyone. Is anyone on the right side?
I think Rob's somewhere around there. Rob's dead, isn't he? No, that was Roy walking out. Because I haven't seen Rob, but I saw him moving up to the green equipment. So I figured he's crawling around back there.
I got one. I got the guy behind the dump truck. I got one of them.
Yeah?
I got Greg, yeah.
Somebody's coming up to his head. There's still a guy dead fucking right ahead from the house. Oh, that's fucking...
What's the dump truck situation like?
Oh. There's Rob. There's Rob.
Fuck.
Not that I can see.
Not even getting full mags out of these.
The window.
The window from the dump
Okay,
truck?
I left this mag there.
Oh, the window at the back, yeah. Okay.
Right down that corridor.
Okay, do you know where anyone is on the right side here?
Rob's right in the house. There's nothing, nobody on the right
Nothing
side.
on this side?
Not that I saw.
Maybe I want... Oh, yeah, there he is.
What was that?
Rob's got his head out there, and he knows I'm here, so if you could sneak out that side and shoot him.
Sneak on that side?
Well, just lean out that side and shoot him. You know they're here.
I really want to fucking get there. What's the angle like there with the house?
Go, 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 go. If you're gonna go, go.
Oh, fuck, my neck.
What the fuck? Fuck you.
Hold on. What's the angle like right there with the house?
You'll be fine if you can get to
Fine.
there. Shit.
Okay, reload and then. Where's your single shot electric thing?
I got it right here. So I'm out of both mags. But where the fuck is the
Rob can see me.
retention?
Shoot. Watch yourself with your hip fire. Once you get Rob, you can get this side of the fucking house. Hit! Nice. Fuck yeah. Got tank boy. Finally got him with fucking scattergun, yeah.
Wait, watch yourself right here.
Yeah, I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about Nate right behind this fucking wood right here.
Behind what wood?
Right there. Someone's in the fucking water. What's left?
I think Rob in that back house, I think.
Okay, I'm gonna. Careful on the right. Someone moved through the water.
I got him pinned down. Go, go, go. Got him.
That's Rob.
That's Rob. I think I got him right in the glasses.
Distracted him. You got him.
I think that's it. That's it, eh, Rob?
Seems like it.
You the last one?
Yeah, that back house sucks right now.
It's fucking soaking wet.
Dropped all my guns and eggs.
Oh no.
In the eyes. Really?
That was a pistol shot too.
Oh, you're right there.
Nice.